Pose number 6 comes our favorite posture, downward facing dog. We'll once again begin in a tabletop position. So, line your hands and your knees. And now, either you can simply tuck your toes and lift your hips up, or you can walk your hands just a little bit forward away from your body. Arch your lower back. Take a deep breath in. Open up your chest and push your shoulders back. You may keep your knees bent or you can straighten them up once you are up in downward facing dog. So from here, just lift your knees up, pulling your hips towards the ceiling, and keep lengthening your spine and pushing the mat away from your body. You can keep your heels lifted to start off with and then slowly begin to pedal one by one. Stretching the back of your legs, preparing them to stretch completely by placing the heels down to the mat. Keep your ears in line with your arms. In between your arms, keep looking at your mat and not your toes. Lift your hips, arch your back, and straighten up your knees to press the heels down as much as possible. Do not push yourself here. Hold the posture for a couple of breaths, and like every posture, on every exhalation, draw your belly in, lengthening your spine. Slowly placing your knees down, release the posture. This is not just stretching, but it is also strengthening posture for your legs, for your arms, for your core. Try it for yourself and let me know in the comment section below if you have any confusion. Thank you and bye. You can repeat the practice as many times as you like. You can either hold your posture for 3 breaths each time or do a dynamic practice along with your inhalation and exhalation.